lalaki, isang palagkasang kakaibang uri dito sa Kiscasi ngayon mangyayari. It will be the first time in our history two people will debate with rhymes and poetry, and the main objective for each of us is the power of language and its hidden beauty. Kung kaya ang paksa na pag-uusapan ay matagal na rin pinagtatalunan. Alin wika pa dapat pahalagahan? Ang wikang hiramba o ang kinagisnas? At Nathaniel Nash, designated as judge, and come to supervise and later to decide. And since I wish not to prolong your agony, listen and contemplate debate through poetry.
Ryan ang aking pangalan, tagapagtanggol po ng wikang kinagisnas. Sa debate, ako'y walang aasa. Napapansin naman sa aking lalaman.
I am Stephen Yasiriaco, a year 6 student. My crusade is to prove that English is the best. No one can stop me, nor intimidate me. Anytime, anywhere, I'm always ready.
Bayaan niyo, ako lamang siyang ang tanong ko sa iyo, Pilipino ka ba? Sayang ang tulad mong matalino sa subalit sa marami ay upang manyan. Sapagkat kung ikay isang Pilipino, di sana kung gayon, ikay kasang ito. Hindi tulad ngayong dalawang kanit, ay asal at iyong mga Amerikan.
By heart and my thoughts, I'm a Filipino, and I love to study because it's the way you do. But nationalism is not language alone. We should be practical for our lives to the world. As we enter the stage of globalization, English are tools for education. It's not studying our own example. School teachers even in the search for knowledge.
Isang kaibangan ng iyong tinura, mismong wika natin ay kalilimutan, kung lahat ng Pinoy ang punta kay ganyan. Mas lalong kawawa itong aming bayan. Ang hindi magmahal sa kanyang salita, dapat nag-iisa sa kanyang manting. Kung Pilipino ka sa isip at gawa,
Kanino ba ito
nais
isa?
rin maging salita.
In chemistry, physics, biology, and math, Filipino language is sure na enough for comprehension and to avoid confusion. English will only be the only solution. Modern technologies are printed in English. Translation will take time for us to accomplish. If you would like this country to prosper, educators try to teach English better.
Sa matematika at kahit saan na, terminology ay maaaring magbasa. Lahat ng salita ay pwede magkakata. Kung pagsisikapang ngayon masimula. Itong komisyon sa wikang Pilipino. Dapat magsimula nitong pagbabago. Pwede mag-invento ng mga salita. Gagamitin hanggang maksanayan na.
Your idea is good, but it may not be solved. And to tell you frankly, I find it so absurd. Ask an Ilonggo or as his father, they do not understand the freedom of Filipino. We can't rely on Filipino language, but building dialects and arts advantage for practicality and to achieve unity. English should be our first priority.
Wikang Pilipino ang tanging pag-asa upang tayong lahat ngayon magkasa. Makanta ng bansa, tunay na paglaya at higit sa dayuan, halaga ng pag-asa. Nagkawatak-watak tayong Pilipino. English ang ginamit at siyang instrumento. Ang giwang kolonyal, talim ng dayuan. Inang-anin natin, ngayon ay kahirapan.
If our people report, then blame the government, for they have done nothing for our improvement, but the English language cannot be the culprit. In fact, it is a must. People should master our ability to progress the English language. Unlike other nations, it is an advantage. Fluency in English of our migrant workers is fully appreciated by foreign employers.
Balugtod ko naman ang iyong katwiran na magpapaligid sa mga dayuhan. Sa tono ng iyong pangungusap ngayon, nasa matulad kay Prof. ng Federasyon. Anin ang English mo limit sa araw-araw ay may angos sa sanding. Pagka Pilipino'y huwag mong pababain. Dahil kay Manggi ay ingat.
I am not that great in the race where I belong. You can't just understand what I said all along. No country will move on in kind of progress. My dear readers should really be stressed.
Eh di tulad natin na yung asong nawala sa katwiran. Nais ay hiliyak sa halip na tumabong. Huwag natin payagang lalo pang masama. Dito sa ng isipang mula.
Of course, it's not a dog. Also, I'm not a cat. A personality is what you recognize.
Bakit mapapasok ngayong tama naman? Hindi naman ang ating naging kalagayan.
Everything is normal. And the problem is you. You're trying to experience the real issue.
Dito tayo sa gitna mga aking pumutuli, nagablat ng ako gagawin itong paksa natin. Ngayon silang dalawa naman ay ating magpapalitin. Si Ryan naman ang ating pag-iisip. But then, the two of them will bear the same time. Stephen will try to support his demand. The irony of all is that they will argue, using the language that they intend to argue. Pakinggan na muna natin si Stephen. Kahit Tagalog na, English pa rin siya. How about giving him another lot of love? As we try to unfold the main part of our show.
Di naman tulad yan ang mag-give ng pagkakot ay pag-iwas sa pagiging kapal. English ang kailangan ng kahit sino man. Nakaralan, di kaya pagkihan ang English ng bilang bansa. Hindi ka naman mapag-aaral. Wala ka nang kaya mo ng bansa. Sa wilang English, hindi
I dare to disagree. That is a policy. For those who would listen, this year number 3, the Japanese proved to us with its economy, using their own language, achieved prosperity. And then we have China, Thailand, and Malaysia. Using their native tongue, they dominate Asia. We Filipinos should appreciate our oath to liberate ourselves from any subversion.
Sinungaling na lang yung tinuran. Nagdahil sa US, pumunta ng Japan, at kahit gamit nila ang sariling wika, sila'y tutulungan din ng Amerika, at dahil ng China ay magbungay pagyabang. Mismo yung nilang tinatalikuran. Mga insignia yun, nais ng England, kapitalismo ay siyang ninanais.
Capitalism is the rule of the people. Countries are exploited even against their will. And the English language that I am using now discriminates people who don't know how. Fluency in English is not a measurement of a person's intellect or cognitive achievement. For us Filipinos, it is a manifest of how we guard colonial interests. I have said that we need to learn more English. But master our own language first, because there is no reason for our race to exist kung ang wika natin na may maaalin.
Aminin niya natin, sadyang talagang ang lahat ng mundo. English ang kailangan, kahit sa internet, silat, musika, sa English ay wala kikisang dakilan. But then, I must repeat, we did not forget. Yes, Florence is the down province. Kung bilang Ingles ay mag-aaralan, bilang Pilipino ay pagkalit sa atin.
Narinig mo naman ang muling tinuran. Wikang Pilipino ay huwag kalilimutan. Itaguyod lagi ang sariling atin. Pag-ibig sa bahay ay lagi panigid. Thus, we should be master of our own language first. And at the same time, we try to learn more of English. And perhaps in the end, our country will prosper. Through unity and hard work, our life will be better. At sa hapong ito, napatunayan na ang wika'y sadyang makapangyarihan. Kapwa mag-aaral, aming kaibigan, na kami pong tatlo ay mapalakpakan.